While a sink provides a basic functional feature in a kitchen, in the modern world, people tend to focus a lot on how their sink looks, along with how it works. There are different features that people tend to look for. If you're looking for a kitchen sink that combines a great design with exceptional durability, then a granite composite sink might be the best option for your kitchen. Knowing that you're buying one of the best granite composite sinks for the kitchen will ensure you install a high quality sink that's well constructed and will last for several decades thanks to the durable structure of granite composite. We've researched and discovered the 7 top rated granite composite sinks for the kitchen, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best granite composite sinks for kitchens, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Kraus KGU 413B 31-inch Undermount single bowl black onyx granite kitchen sink. After extensive research to bring the best granite composite sink for the kitchen, we've analyzed and compared several different options and found the Kraus KGU 413B 31-inch Undermount single bowl black onyx granite kitchen sink to offer high standards in terms of quality and durability. At the same time, this particular sink is very affordable when compared to some of the other options that are on the market. The Kraus KGU 413B 31-inch Undermount single bowl black onyx granite kitchen sink is made from 80% natural granite and has a depth of 8.66 inches. This black kitchen sink has a stone-like appearance and feel to it. It also is heat resistant, and the thermal finishing process helps to protect the material from damage. In addition to the sink, this product also comes with a number of convenient accessories that will be useful once the sink has been installed. Coming in at number 2, Kraus KGD 54GREY Forteza Granite Kitchen Sink. Second on our list is possibly the best Kraus granite composite sink that you'll find if you're looking to spend a little more for a top quality product that will never fail to impress. The Kraus KGD 54 Gray Forteza Granite Kitchen Sink is made from high quality granite composite material and was designed to withstand as much as 750 degrees Fahrenheit. The product features a double bowl design and comes with a low center divider. The sink itself is deep to ensure large enough items from the kitchen can be placed into the sink. The material used in the construction of the Kraus KGD 54 Gray Forteza Granite Kitchen Sink is soundproof, which means operations inside the sink will be much quieter compared to a stainless steel sink, for example. This particular sink offers dual mounting capability, which means you have flexible options that you can choose from when it comes to installing the sink in your kitchen. Coming in at number 3, Franke Ellipse 33-inch dual mount granite double bowl kitchen sink. If you prefer a different brand, then consider the Franke Ellipse 33-inch dual mount granite double bowl kitchen sink. This is the best Franke granite composite sink for a kitchen design that we were able to find, and it comes with a number of convenient features that could make this the ideal sink for your kitchen. The sink is also available in a variety of colors, including mocha, onyx, linen, and champagne. You can easily choose the best color to match the existing interior decor of your kitchen. The Franke Ellipse 33-inch dual mount granite double bowl kitchen sink has a 9-inch depth in its bowl, which means larger items can be fitted and washed more easily. The granite used in the construction of the sink is made from quality materials that help to minimize the chance of damage to the granite surface. Looking to learn more about the best granite composite sinks for kitchens in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Blanco 440194 single 9.5-inch bowl depth undermount Anthracite. After researching, we have found the best Blanco granite composite sink for kitchen designs on the market to be the Blanco 440194 single 9.5-inch bowl depth undermount Anthracite. This one has multiple options to choose from when you start the installation process. It can be installed as an undermount sink or as a drop-in sink. This granite composite sink is made from 80% granite in order to ensure the sturdiness of the material and assure the surface is resistant to scratches, as well as to ensure the surface can withstand high temperatures. The Blanco 440194 single 9.5-inch bowl depth undermount offers a relatively deep internal bowl that can be used for washing dishes and even while preparing food. The product also comes with a limited lifetime warranty, and an additional flat deck featured by the sink allows for easy installation of additional faucets. Coming in at number 5, Kraus KGD 442 White Quarza Granite Kitchen Sink. Next on the list is the Kraus KGD 442 White Quarza Granite Kitchen Sink, which is definitely one of the more attractive options available on the market. This one comes in a range of different colors, with the default color being a white kitchen sink. In addition to the white colored option, you can also buy the sink in Onyx black, gray, brown, and solid black. This product has a relatively deep bowl measuring in at over 10 inches. You can install the sink as either a top mount or undermount option, depending on your personal preferences. The granite that's used to construct the sink is a premium grade material that provides for a sturdier and much more durable performance. Coming in at number 6, Ruvati 33-inch by 22-inch dual mount granite composite single bowl kitchen sink. The Ruvati 33 by 22-inch dual mount granite composite single bowl kitchen sink can be installed in a variety of ways due to the flexible dual mounting features. This product is made from 80% natural granite and provides exceptional durability. Even though the majority of granite composite kitchen sinks can be damaged with the use of harsh chemicals, this particular sink was built to last in its composition, even when such harsh chemicals are used to clean the surface. Hot objects can be placed on the Ruvati 33 by 22-inch dual mount granite composite single bowl kitchen sink, as the material is able to withstand temperatures as high as 536 degrees Fahrenheit. The sink comes by default in a midnight black color, but is also available in 2 additional colors, including metallic gray and black galaxy. Coming in at number 7, Hoch International Imports Limited G32186SW White Granite Composite Single Bowl Kitchen Sink. And last on our list of the best granite composite sinks for kitchens to choose from when you're looking to buy a new granite composite kitchen sink is the Hoch International Imports Limited G3218SW White Granite Composite Single Bowl Kitchen Sink. The sink features a single bowl design and includes an appropriate drain for added convenience. The depth of the bowl allows for large kitchenware items to be washed and used inside the sink. The material consists of 20% acrylic and 80% granite and is completely resistant to heat, even at high temperatures. One thing that makes the Hoch International Imports Limited G3218SW White Granite Composite Single Bowl Kitchen Sink unique is the fact that the surface features a unique texture that's different from what you may be used to if you have utilized a granite composite sink in the past. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite granite composite sinks for kitchens. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com granite composite sink to avoid. Blanco 442077 Diamond Equal Double Low Divide Undermount. There are many options available when it comes to buying and installing a new granite composite kitchen sink. While many of them are durable and will surely impress, there are a few of those sinks that you should steer clear from. After thorough research, we found the worst granite composite sink for the kitchen on the market to be the Blanco 442077 Diamond Equal Double Low Divide Undermount. This particular option is made from 80% granite, and the material does not seem as strong and durable as some of the other sink options on the market. Furthermore, the price of the Blanco 442077 2077 diamond equal double low divide undermount is higher than many options on the market. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best granite composite sinks for kitchens. When it comes to deciding which type of sink you want to install in your kitchen, there are many different options that you can choose from. Most people know that a granite composite sink is one of the most durable options on the market and can also provide a very attractive design at the same time. This type of sink can also withstand high temperatures, making them ideal for placing pots in after you've cooked for food. With a large number of options available, it's crucial that you ensure you buy one of the best granite composite sinks for the kitchen to make sure the product is made from quality materials and will provide you with the durable performance that you come to expect from granite sinks materials. Looking to learn more about the best granite composite sinks for kitchens in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite granite composite sinks for kitchens. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite apron front sink for kitchens. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.